I broke it. So now we're going to get a lesson on how to fix it. Now here's an arrow that I put earlier, and because I heard a crack and I wanted to remember where the crack was. Now I'm not sure if this is where the crack was, but if you break it, I've cracked my other ones, but usually not all the way off. If you break it while you have it apart, get in and clean this up. And clean it up a little bit here. We've got to be really careful where it broke off. You want to keep the surface just the way it was. Check things out. Keep it clean. We're going to try and put it right back where it was. Like that. And I've found that white glue, it holds better than your super glue, but you have to have a way to keep a little bit of pressure on it, not a lot, just a little. Get the glue on one surface and transfer it over to the other, and then check, make sure that it gets on both surfaces. Keep the glue off if you can, so it doesn't stick to places you don't want it to. And then look really close, everything is lining up.
I also found a link that was cracked on one side and still good on the other, so I wanted to save the good side and pry apart the little crack so I could get glue down in it. But try and pry it really gentle so you don't break the back side. After you get it apart, you go ahead and put a little glue right on the surface. Get it on the surface, and then you can blow it down into the crack. Use your brush to brush it in, and then when you release it, it should squeeze out, and then you can clean it up with your brush.
Okay, this one, this side's good, this side cracked also. So I'm going to glue that.
It's also a good idea to let it dry for 24 hours to get maximum strength out of your glue. Good luck with your repair.